Yeah, let's get started. As you can see, that the FRP log shows or indicate on the top. So I have connected my Wi-Fi. Just follow along. Make sure you subscribe and also like, yeah, to get more updates. So first of all, you open TalkBack. From here, you type in open Google or Google. We are trying to open the browser. Yeah. So you can search in @ROM or VN-ROM. There's a lot, but you can see that my browser is out of date. So we need to factory set. The device again and start the process again. So I'll be fastening the video. Just follow along. Yeah, this is Pixel 3X 3A XL. Yeah, 3A XL. So let's get back to the formatting or the hard reset. So you press the volume down and the power together till the menu appears. Yeah, till the menu appears. Yeah, so you select recovery mode. Yeah, you select recovery mode, then you format the phone again for the access of the browser opening. And please put in mind that anytime you hard reset and you are trying, don't switch off the phone, otherwise the browser will be out of date. You need to factory reset it again. So let's wait till the phone powers on. Yeah, so we are back to the FRP log menu. So you have connected Wi-Fi, open TalkBack, then here you say open my Google Assistant or open Google Assistant. Just follow along while you swipe. So here you say open Google Assistant. So it will pop up. Then you type in Google, or straightforward you can type in open YouTube. So in the search bar you can type in VN-ROM. VN-ROM, add-ROM, or any site for the access of the settings. Make sure you subscribe. And also share. Like so. From here, you go straight to settings. As you can see, just follow along. Go straight to settings. To disable talkback there. So you go to apps and we are trying to disable Google Play services, full stop, and also Android Auto. That will help us to gain access to the setup easily. Disable and also full stop. From here, you need to enable talkback menu or assistance menu from the accessibility settings. So after we have done all the disabling the Google Play service and auto, you go back to where you started, and also you try to set up offline to see if it can give you an access. But you can see on the top still there is the FRP padlock on the top left corner. So from here you need to restart the device. Just switch it off and on and again to remove the FRP padlock on the top left corner. Just restart your device, power it off and power it on again. Else you'll be stuck on just a few moments this interface. So I'm about to restart it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so I've restarted my phone and also trying to set up offline. So yeah, successful. Date and time, then next. So on this interface, right after you see just a few seconds, press on the assistance menu. You are trying to enable Google Play services. Enable back. Yeah. You have been able to bypass the FRP lock manually. Yes. Yeah, correct. Subscribe to the channel Nitro Tech World. Like and share, and also comment if you have any trouble issues while watching this tutorial. This is very simple, simple solution. I just figured it out and brought it up. Like and share. Thank you for watching Nitro Tech World. Thank you.